Hello, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Pamela and I said that I would send over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Inspector Roofing homepage. I can see that you guys definitely spent a lot of time and or money into this. And so the site looks really good. It's really professional. It's very well laid out. However, scrolling through here, I'm not seeing a lot of content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search, and you currently have 210 words, not including the content right here. This would actually be considered duplicate content, but you would definitely want to add in some more content onto your home page. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. So over here, a great example of a keyword is roofing Augusta GA. This keyword brings in 320 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, or when you want to take advantage of a hot market or promote a special event that you have going on. They're also a good fast leads option if you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath the Google Ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot, and you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. Also, be careful when you're entering your information onto these directories that the information you're entering looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation by Google. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. In addition to having good content in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local flooring company were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring more power to yours. So right here, we can see that Lovelace Roofing is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs around a couple $100 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so right here, I typed in Lovelace Roofing, and it tells me that they have around 1,100 backlinks from 54 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 87 keywords. Here we can click and take a closer look at which keywords they're ranking for. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Right here, we'll list all the different keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, how much traffic it brings them every month, and how many people search for that keyword every month. And so you can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so it's saying they have 1,100 different backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. You want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so here you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. You can click on the best ones and see if you can add your website to these pages. You can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some more on your own as well. Over here, I have typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, it's telling me that you have 2,500 backlinks from 95 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 61 keywords. So let's take a look and see how well you are ranking for those keywords and which keywords you're targeting. And so it does seem like you're going for some good keywords. The best position you seem to hold, there's one right here that's 13, but you're mainly around the 3rd page or down to around the 9th page. So going back, I would definitely focus on trying to get more good alt texts with these different keywords, the best keywords you have, more anchor texts. And then I would also go through your backlink profile and make sure that you're getting your backlinks from only high-powered relevant sites. And so not all backlinks are created equal, and some of them can hurt your site more than help. So to go back over here, it's saying that you have 5 people finding you organically every month. And if we go back to the competitor, it's saying that they have 300 people find their site every month. I think you could get rise in the ranks though and start to hit this amount of traffic if you were to incorporate the 3 things that we talked about into your online marketing plan, which were number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, going after only high quality, high powered, relevant backlinks. And so right here, it's saying they have 300 people on their site every single month. Now, if they were to close 25% of those people, that would be 75 new customers every month. Multiply that by the cost of an average roofing job at $6,000, that's $450,000 per month, and factor in a 20% gross profit margin, and they're at $90,000 per month through their site. And so that gives you a good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it's linked to the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.